Charlotte, what do you like about the seaside?
Trees?
But there's no trees at the beach.
At the beach.
Beach. I'm tired.
There is lots of sand and there is lots of sun and sea.
So as I have probably shown you at this point, I am at Exmouth Beach today. I think it's really nice to take your free time and go to new places, as I've said before. And today, the beach seems like the best option. I'm here with my friend Charlotte. She's just falling asleep on a bench. See you later. Beach! Oh, that feels good. Seaside. Don't run! I can't run in circles! I'll get dizzy and sick! This is really tough! I'm so short! They're like a relay. I just want to put my feet in the water, but then it might be cold, so then I probably want to run away and then come back later when my feet have readjusted. And this step is not very wavy today. Into the water! And the seas are like coming this way, and my feet will freeze. The seagull keeps laughing. I don't know why that's so funny. Yeah, it's because Charlotte put on silly sunglasses.